What's up, YouTube? This is Everyday with James back with another video. As you can see by the title, I have the Yeezy Slide Salt. These are unreleased. I got these from the mall in a size 8. I'm just gonna do a quick review on these real quick. As you can see, on the top of the box it says Slide, Yeezy Slide, made by Adidas. You know, just a plain box. If you want to see how much I pay for these, I got them from Grills Inc. The mall. The ID code is ID5480 salt. If you were able to cop these, I think these are still unreleased. I'm not really sure, but I was trying to search them online and they're like going for like $300 or whatever. But like I said, I paid $180, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, let's see what they look like. So I have the sticker on there, got the little tab right here. They're just like the plain slides, are just a different color. These are a size 8. I usually wear a size 9. I would say, depending on like if you have like a wide foot or whatever, like I would go like half size up. But the store only had these in a size 8, and like I wear a size 9, so it's not really too bad. And like I was just like, okay, these are the newest slides, so I was like, I'll cop them, you know. Like you see though, they're like a babe, what do you think? It's like a light grayish color.
Yeah, that's like what I would say.
Like a light grayish color.
A tint of mint.
Yeah, maybe, so yeah. It's not really salt. You know, like salt is white, you know, but like I said, the box says salt.
But they're a nice color. I would say go cop these.
Yeah, like they're definitely a cop for the like summer/fall. You know? So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing or a quick on feet real quick for you guys. Yeah. This is good. So, got the Nike socks. What's up? 360 real quick, you know. You see a slight little drip, they're definitely comfortable though. On a comfort level, I say they're a 10. You know, like I said, I gotta have socks down, but they still feel comfortable, like, and they're snug, so I don't have to worry about these falling off. You know, they're not too small where it's like I feel like my feet are hurting. But yeah, if you see these in the mall or whatever, definitely cop them. Yeezy Slide Salts. Thank you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.